cottage, no? 239. 236. 237. Ito yung further, han. There's the lake. Yeah. We are now in the Lake District.
I go be
2, 4,
I go
1.
be swimming.
It's okay. It's okay. Nandito na tayo, guys. Wow, ang ganda. Ayun ang lake. Nandun yung lake. Ayan. Hala, ang ganda. King, that's nice. As you can see the lake here. Oh, may terrace siya, oh. May veranda. Ano ba yung tawag dyan? So, ito yung room. Ito yung room namin. Ay, toilet pala ito. Ayan. Wala silang bath. Isang room. Yan guys, o yung sala. Ito yung room ni King and Ayla. Ito naman kay Mommy here. Ito covered. Ito master bedroom mata nila. Wow, very nice. It's good kasi may toilet pala ito siya dito. Ito yung sinasabi may toilet. Kaya wala siyang bath. Nasa kabila. Kabila your bed. Wow, nice siya. May TV din. Ganyan. No, your bedroom is there, oh. Wait, Kishan is looking for a bedroom. Yay! Happy?
What's toys?
Toys? They don't keep toys for you. You have to bring, that's why I said bring your toys. Mabalik na kami sa ano guys, sa cottage. Ayan ang lake, oh. Bali, pumunta lang kami doon sa game zone. Kasi meron silang game zone doon. Para maano si Christian, nag-billiard sila, ganun. Wala kasi kaming cash. So, hindi si Christian makalaro ng mga ano nila, yung mga clamp ba yun. Ayan. Put your hat on, my love. So, gabi na, alas 8 na ng gabi. So, dito yung daanan namin, pauwi. Ganda ng view eh. Tapos, super linis dito. It's cold. Malamig pa din, King, no? Ayan, yung lake. Ito yung kaya tinawag siya na lake kasi nga may lake. Ito yung Lake District. Part siya ng lake niya. May swimming pool din dito, may hot tub doon, banda. So, kailangan magpabook ka para may time talaga kasi nga parang family lang talaga, hindi siya yung maramihan. Para may privacy. Ito yung entrance banda. Yeah, the bus there. I think they're going to the shop, that's why.
What's the thing there? What's a pizza?
So tomorrow we get cash. So Christian can play everything there. Because we don't have a cash. That's why. So yan ang swimming pool, King, oh. Tomorrow. What time we going there tomorrow, man? What time, King, tomorrow for swimming? Yeah, you can eat there in the house. Got lots of food. It's already closed. What you gonna get there? Chips again? Chips, fish and chips. Fish and chips.
Yeah, me too. Oh my God.
Good morning, guys! Our day 2 sa aming holiday. So, alam niyo ba, guys, kagabi si Ayla, Diyos ko, umiyak siya ng alas 11, ha? Start alas 11 ng gabi hanggang alas 4:30 ng umaga, guys. Talagang wala akong tulog. Tignan niyo yung mata ko. Magang-maga. Wala talaga siyang tulog, guys. Talagang as in, iyak talaga siya ng iyak. As in, iyak, ha? Hindi yung iyak na parang hindi. Iyak talaga, scream. Iyak. Masama ang pakiramdam. May sipon, may ubo. Dito pa talaga sa holiday, Ayla. Tapos alam niyo bang ginawa ko, guys, nung mga alas 4:30 na, naano ko siya, na-shower ko siya ng warm shower. Ayun. Nahimas-masan siya, nakatulog siya, guys. Nakatulog ang bata. So, gumapala ako ng kape ko dito. Talagang, ang iyak ni Ayla, Diyos ko. Parang alam mo yung Alam mo yung guys na talagang, ano mo yung parang sinaktan siya, na ewan. Pero hindi naman siya sinasaktan. As in, kawawa talaga si Ella, pati kami kawawa. Kawawa ang bata. Halo-halo na yung ano niya, may sa ngipin, may sa sipon. Natulog talaga sipon niya. Ito sa niya. So, yan. Gawa na yung cereal ni Ayla, guys. It's hot, love. Sino kayong baka nito? Mainit na. Happy Easter, everyone! Say, Happy Easter, everybody! Easter Friday. Happy Easter. Happy Friday Easter. Si Relax itong niluluto ko kanya, guys. Ayan si Kuya Christian sa ano. Nandun na si Kuya Christian, kumakain na siya. Nandun siya. Nakabihis na yan siya. Kasi nabasa siya. Nabasa si Kuya Christian. Eat na. Your food. Eat your food. Come on. Are you watching Danny go? Tingnan kay Ayla.
Yeah.
Kuya Christian. Would you like ay, may milk na siya. So, bigay ko na lang yung yogurt drink na lang, no? Kay Kuya Christian. Say Happy Easter. Christian, Happy Easter. Christian. Happy Easter. Guys, so magluluto tayo ng rice, guys. Wala pala ang may ilaw dito. Magluluto tayo ng rice. Ayan. Pailawan natin para mas maganda yung ating aura. So, dito na tinalagay. Ayan, kasi ano kami, guys, lalabas kami ni King. Manood kami ng bird sanctuary. Yung ko lang kung, kasi naulan siya. Ayan. Grabe yung ulan, so hindi ako sure kung makalabas pa kami ni Christian. Kasi nga naulan. So, dito na ako nagluto ako ng rice. Hindi na kami lalabas. Ito muna kami kakain. Mamaya na lang gabi daw. Kay Christian naman is pizza. Ayun sila yung pizza. But I'm fixing Christian's pizza. I'm vlogging. Good job. Tapos nito, magluto ako ng ito kay Christian na pizza. Magluto ako ng pork after this. Ay, season pala. Tapos ilalagay ko na lang itong pork. Lutuin ko na itong pork. Mamayang gabi, ay para hindi tayo pwede nakainin yung pork. Yung pork. Ating lagay na yan. So kayo ilagay, guys, oh. Para ano, makita niyo yung aking ginagawa. Pero hindi masyado. Iyan na natin, i-grilled natin yung pork. Grill the pork. Ayan. Ilang minuto ba ito? Barbecue style siya. 22 minutes siya. Kasi alis kami ni Kuya Christian, magsiswimming kami ni Kuya Christian. Real. Ito naman is 20 minutes. 22 minutes lang. So, hatiin natin yung pizza. I mean, someone swimming already, no? They... Ayan, si Kuya Christian. So, pakainin natin si Kuya Christian, guys. Baliktarin natin yung baboy. Ayan, guys. Medyo mainit siya. Baliktarin natin. Si Ayla is gising na siya, guys. May sipon talaga si Ayla. Dami na akong na wipes na pinahid dyan, guys. Grabe yung sipon niya talaga. Ayla is not really well. My baby is not well. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Yeah. Sabi niya, yeah. Baby Ayla hungry? Oh, my baby Ayla is hungry, guys. Oh, there you go. You're not well, are you? Maligo sana kami ni Kuya Christian today. Pero si Ate Ayla, hindi siya okay. So sabi ko baka pag iwan ko sa tatay niya, iiyak na naman eh. Punta pa rin doon. Tapos mag-stop pa rin ako. So kaya, wag na muna. Bukas na lang. Pag okay na si Ayla. Diba Ayla? Tapos baby Ayla is not well. Baby Ayla is not well at all. Ahem. Ahem. Gawin natin ito. Nalabas sana kami ba? Mag-play ba si Kuya Christian? Say hi, wave! Wave! Say hi, wave na! Come on! Mag-wave yun sa inyo, guys. Come on. Wave! Wave na! Wave, Ayla! Say hi! Hi! Yeah. Say hi! You wave! Hi! So, nandito kami sa labas, guys. Gagala kami ng mga bata. Ilaro namin si Kuya Christian dito sa, meron silang mini farm village na kemi dito. So, sabi ko, labas muna tayo doon. Ang ganda ng pagkatangos ng ilong ko tayo. So, yeah, si Ayla, yan, kaiyak lang yan. So, meron tayong mini farm village here. Gala tayo dito. Oh! 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 Ayan, so tingnan natin ano meron din mga pakulo dito ba. Parang ganda ng ano ng pagka-nose line. So meron sila dito ang kitchen, bistro, oven farm, play barn, mga ganong ikikan. Are you excited, Ayla, to play? Can you play? Christian is excited too. Christian excited. Hanap natin ng parking. Kawawa naman ang baby ni Mami, no? Baby girl ni Mami na may ubo na, may sipon pa, nagtiting pa siya. Titing! Talagang nakakairita yung titing na yan, no? May paubo-ubo pa talaga. You feel better now? Tapos mamayang gabi, hindi ka na matulog ng 10 oras. No? Yan ang problema mo, Ayla. No? Holiday disaster ang ganap. No? Holiday disaster ang ganap kagabi. Ano oras ka natulog? Alas 6 ng umaga. Umiyak ka hanggang alas 11. Grabe, Ayla. Grabe. Oh, may complain. Kakain tayo sa labas guys kasi hindi ako magluto today. So doon na lang kami sa restaurant kakain daw. Ang ganda ng dito yung lake niya. Kaya tawag siyang Pine Lake. Yan yung mga cottages. Si Ayla ganyan sa harapan. Hello, okay? Hindi siya makita dito sa harapan siya guys kasi gusto niya makita yung mga view. How much is there? How much? 30p? You know how to play?
How much about?
How much you put? No, you have to put money in it.
Let me change you. Not that.
Not that. You still got money? Christian, you need to eat now. Tulog pa. Singin natin si Kuya Christian, guys. Kuya Christian, wiki wiki. Good morning. Come on, breakfast time. Come on. Breakfast time. Oh, where's Ayla? Tingnan guys, ayaw amin dito. Kikita nyo dito is kagubatan. Kagubatan yung view sa likod. Ayan. Sige natin si Kuya Christian. Breakfast na, alas 10 na. Hoy, it's 10 o'clock now. Wiki wiki, Kuya Christian. Hey, we're going to swimming. We're going for swimming, King. Have a breakfast first. Kuya, come on. Pati ng kape, guys. Kape Arabica. Ayan. Tapos, Christian. Kaya pa ni Christian gumangon. Gusto po talaga niya matulog. Sabi yun, pagod. Nakabawi kami ng tulog kasi nga si Ayla. Naging okay si Ayla. So, nakatulog kami ng maayos. Is straight ba? Kasi hindi na si Ayla umiyak ng gabi. Okay na siya. Ito yung view, guys. Yan yung view natin sa harap ng kusina. Buksan na natin. Yan lake yun siya, guys. Lake. Tubig yan dyan, lake. Where are we going, Christian? Where are we going? Swimming pool. So, maliligo kami ni Christian, guys. Si Ayla nandun na kay papa niya. So, kami ni Christian ang mag-swimming. Our towels. Towels. Hindi maulan ngayon, no? So, it's not raining, so it's fine. Walking tayo guys dito. Ah, this is like Boulevard. King, this is a car, King. Oh, Christian. It's nice because it's really stones. Look. Good morning. We're going home today. Last day here in Lake District. Yeah. We're going home. Say yeah. Ayla, are you excited to go home? Is it Christian excited to go home? Maganda yung araw sa labas. Kagubatan. Are you guys excited to go home? You guys excited? Are you excited, Ayla? Oh, come on, Christian. I'm gonna change your clothes now, quick. Come na. So you can have breakfast and pancake. Let's go. Quick na, come on. King, you don't have a time, King. If you wake up, you're not gonna eat anymore because it's time to check out. What's that, Ayla? It's a milk. It's a milk. See us properly, Ayla. Can I see that? Give to your sister now. It's a milk. It is a milk. I'll give to Ayla now. She wants it back. With her tiny fingers. Oh, come on, sit down here now. I'm gonna change your lap. You hide. Oh no! Kuya Christian! Oh, dear, may ibot talaga si Ayla, guys. Kanya, give na ko, so I'm gonna change your clothes. Come on. So she's not gonna cry. Come on na. Give it to her. Give it to her. Just only make her quiet, you know. Oh, come on, sit down here na. Also, I'm gonna change your clothes. Christian, I said sit down here na. I'm gonna change your clothes because I'm gonna look for Ayla's earrings there. Nawala kasi yung isang hikaw ni Ayla, guys. Oh. Sarado na naman. Oh. Tumigas na naman. Isa na lang yung natira. Yung isa na lang yung natira. Oh. Yung isa wala. Come on na, Christian. Come on na. Change your clothes. Come on. Come on now. Okay, I'm not gonna change your clothes. You stay, you're gonna sit down in the car without clothes. Okay? Ayaw niya talaga. So guys, today is our 4th day. Pinauwi na kami guys today. So, ayun na, ano na kami ng susi. Yeah, we have to return it. It's not ours. So, binalik na yung susi guys kasi pauwi na kami. 4th day is going home. So, bye-bye Pine Lake. Say bye-bye Pine Lake. See you next year. Hopefully next year. So, yeah guys, tapos na yung ating bakasyon. Kaya, going back home na tayo. Are you rested, Ayla? Are you feel what you call that, refresh again? Going home? We're gonna ask Ayla, are you excited to go home, Ayla? Is Ayla excited to go home? No. What about Kuya Christian?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Oh, good boy. So that's it, guys. See you in the house.